Creating and implementing a brand guide is a crucial step in establishing a strong and consistent brand for your SMM business. A brand guide is a document that outlines the specific guidelines for using your brand's visual identity and messaging in all marketing materials. It helps ensure consistency across all platforms and serves as a reference for all branding and marketing materials. Here are some more detailed steps to help you create and implement a brand guide. Define your brand. Start by defining your brand by creating a brand positioning statement that clearly communicates the unique value of your agency, its target audience, and its key messaging. This statement should include information such as what your agency does, who your target audience is, what makes your agency unique, what are the core values of your agency. Establish a visual identity. Create a visual identity that includes a logo, color scheme, typography, and imagery that reflects your brand. This visual identity should be consistent across all platforms and should be easily recognizable. Create a messaging guide. Develop a messaging guide that outlines the key messaging and tone of voice for your brand. This guide should include information on how to communicate your brand's value proposition and key messaging in different contexts and to different audiences. It should also include guidelines for language usage, tone, and style. Develop a style guide. Develop a style guide that outlines the specific guidelines for using your brand's visual identity and messaging in all marketing materials, including your website, social media, and offline marketing materials. This style guide should include guidelines for logo usage, color usage, typography, imagery, layout and design. Train your team. Train your team on the brand guide and make sure they understand the importance of consistency and adherence to the guide. This includes providing them with the necessary resources such as the brand guide and training them on how to use it correctly. Implement the brand guide. Implement the brand guide by using it as a reference for all branding and marketing materials. This includes using the guidelines for creating new content, designing marketing materials, and even for internal communications. Review and update. Review and update the brand guide regularly to make sure it remains relevant and consistent with your agency's evolving strategy and goals. This includes monitoring the performance of your marketing materials and making necessary adjustments to the brand guide based on the feedback. In summary, creating and implementing a brand guide is a crucial step in establishing a strong and consistent brand for your SME business. It should include a brand positioning statement, visual identity, messaging guide, style guide, training for the team and regular review and updates. It helps ensure consistency across all platforms and serves as a reference for all branding and marketing materials.